All right. Um, okay, the time is already 2:01 p.m. Um, let's start because today it's going to be a long day. Please, can everybody confirm that they can hear me? I like because the way this stream is set up is that we are within us, and then we now have this tournament being streamed live to YouTube. So, and I'm going to
We
do
can hear you, sir.
that's fantastic. That's fantastic. Also, for the people that know me in real life and know me professionally, because I want to make this thing sound interesting, I'm going to try. I don't watch football. I want to try as much as possible to sound like a football commentator. So please, I beg in the name of God, this does not taint my reputation. Let's get right into it. So somebody is asking in the WhatsApp chat how the parts be sent to us. So I already have the questions before me. So how I'm going to be doing it is I'm going to be sending in screenshots the of the questions, and then after the compressors are done, obviously I'll show the answers as well. So I'll send the screenshot of the questions to your WhatsApp chat, and I'm doing that so that it's, if you have a phone, you'll be able to like put your phone down by your side, and you'll be able to look at the screen. And obviously, I'm also doing that if you have double monitor, so that you can be able to have the question beside you and then your card system in front of you. So, obviously, people that have monitors, I don't know, this one cannot be mitigated against, are already at an advantage like this. So I know some people that even bought bought the monitor yesterday. Maybe they bought the monitor because of this tournament. Who knows? Who knows? So, without further ado, I'm going to also say that all the questions that we're going to be solving today for this tournament, all of them are the material that we're going to be using for all of them is going to be aluminium 1060. Let me refer to my sorry, yeah, alloy 1060, and the density for the material is 2.7 exponential minus 3 grams per mm cube. So that's 2.7 grams per mm cube, right? let me just take a let me just take a screenshot of the material and send it to the chat. And everybody, please confirm that you can see the. So I sent an image already. So I sent an image already. Right. Okay. So the way this is going to go is that all the questions have been selected so that is like mild difficulty because we don't want anybody to be stuck designing some complex parts, but we also want it to be mildly challenging, right? So than that anybody does max that anybody has to spend is 10, 15, 10, 15 minutes at most, right? At most, right? So according to the matchup, all right.
I can hear you, sir.
I'm going to pull up the fixtures, and then the first people that are going to be going head to head. Let's even do like a roll call. So if you want to know the people that are here, I see Fadil is here. Fadil engineer, Fadil extraordinaire. Um, that's right. My boss, Mr. Engineer Ibekasim James. Thank you very much for being here today. Olale Glory, talented man. Favor Apoto. I thought I saw him in here. Maybe he disconnected. Okay, he's here. Um, we also have Mr. Toluwanimi Oyegule. Ah, I'm so honored that he's here today. Man, there's a lot of people in this place that have come and scatter the floor. Okay, okay. So let's see who can go first. Yeah, yet are having troubles connecting. All right. Samuel Babayemi and Favor Akoto, please can you guys turn on your mics? Let's start with you. Let's start with you people first.
Can you hear me?
Samuel, Favor, how are you? I can hear you.
I'm doing well.
Yeah.
Doing
So
fine.
before we start, you will have to share your screens, and then I'll share the question that will be modeled to the group chat, and I'll also be showing it on stream as well. So
All right, just give me a minute.
mm, 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 mm.
Hi, can everybody see my screen? So just to confirm, yeah, I'm sharing my SolidWorks windows, right?
Yeah, I can see
Just
your screen, Samuel. Yeah, I can see your screen. Waiting for Favor. Yeah. All right.
Can you guys see my? Hello. Can
Yes,
you
I
guys
can
hear
see
me?
yours.
Okay. All right. That's good. Okay, then.
Okay, so this is how it's going to go. At least now we can see everybody's screen head to head. Okay, so like I mentioned earlier, the material that all the parts are going to be modeled in has been sent to the group. If there are any technical difficulties, Glory Jayoba is going to be available to solve that for everybody. All right, so Favor, are you ready? Hi, Favor, can you hear me?
Yes, I have.
Yeah, you're ready. Okay, Samuel, are you ready? I'm about to send.
Yeah, no problem.
Immediately I send the image to the group chat. That will be kickoff for when this particular round starts.
All right, let's get it.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go. I'm sending it to the chat now.
Wow, wow, wow.
Have you seen it? Have you guys seen it?
All right. Yes, I have.
Hmm. Okay, so we have a fairly simple model before us here. Just a small shaft with a slot and a hole feature on the other side. Yeah, so I believe that these two people before us are going to be able to see this particular model that we have before us. Who's going to take first blood in this modeling challenge like this? Is it just me or nobody has taken first blood yet? Is everybody are we nervous? Okay, I can see that people have already started sketching. Samuel has started sketching as well. Putting the circle feature. I wonder what the circle sketch. It seems as if Samuel wants to just okay, okay. Even myself, I've been learning things too from these car titans that are modeling before me today.
Bro, this is crazy.
Depends on what the name of. Yeah. Some
Do we
of
have
them
any
had
difficulties?
miles, some of them were just out. I do this. I'm looking at it. I got to say, you're looking over. I am. The letter can be wide. But it's pretty regular. You can plan to only your quick. Good.
Okay, it seems as if someone has already taken first blood on this model.
No question, I call. And then you make the credit pot every week, even if it's sunlight. And then start to use that business. And go.
Someone is
Yeah.
already
What is
sorting
done.
out the feet. Okay, now I understand the approach that everybody is making. So someone seems to be building the sketch, building the part by sketching and extruding each feature out one by one, while Fibo is trying to sketch out the entire profile. Probably going for a revolve here. Okay.
Your granddad never asked me to sign on.
This just goes to show that there are many ways to tackle the problem. But anyway, so that I don't sound biased, and everybody already knows the software that I'm rooting for in this particular case. This is not to scatter anybody's resolve, please. But let me not mention my bias here.
You know your bias already.
All right. Someone is going for the core clinical square figure on the chart. So anyway, the winner of this round, the winner of any round, is going to be determined by the first person to drop the correct answer. So it's a game of speed, but not just speed and accuracy. Ooh, lucky. Since I have a problem with my network, that's the reason why I can't get a good stream of favor screen. But I'm sure he's firing down at the part. Please, in no way connected to my bias, so please, so that nobody will think that my favor is my network is favoring SolidWorks stream. And remember I didn't even mention it before. The units that I see some favor already gone along with the approach that I was going for. But now I won't add in the extra features on the chart. Remember the units that we're looking for the mass of the part is going to be in grams. Someone is already going for the key feature on the chart. Show the part again. This is what the current CAD titans are modeling. Interesting approach here. I feel you're modeling in perspective. Ooh, what's going on here? The spotlight is now on Favor's screen. Seems like he's taking a different approach to modeling the shafts. Clock is ticking, guys. Remember what's at stake here? 80K. Now, guy Emmanuel Lenny has already joined the Google chat. Samuel goes in with his answer. Okay. Still expecting. Remember, guys, once you have your answer, just type it in chat straight up. Game of speed and accuracy. Seems as if Samuel is getting part ready. Oh, is this SolidWorks supremacy? Who knows? Again, no bias here, please.
There's plenty bias, please.
I am. What are we supposed to send to the group chat?
You're supposed to send the mass of the part, apply
Oh,
the material of the part to apply the material to the part, and then calculate the mass. Nobody should forget, oh, it's not just about who finishes the model first, oh, it's who finishes the model and calculates the mass of the part. I'm expecting the answer in grams. Hmm. Is someone having problem there? Or is it as if it's about to finish this challenge? I'm beaming with excitement here because I've already said it before. I already knew the software that was going to come out on top. But I'm still rooting for everybody equally. Oh, and Samuel dropped the answer in chat with the. Let me see. Someone says the mass of the part is 79.41 grams. Is it correct? Is it correct? Is Samuel correct? Yep. Samuel is correct. The mass is right here. And Samuel wins this round.
Oh wow.
So nice round, nice round. You know, I actually would have gone Favor's routes in the beginning, which was trying to sketch out the entire profile and then doing the revolve. And what happened there, they decided to change routes. But I guess things happen and then we have a winner. So someone is going to move on to the next round. Someone is moving on to the next round. Thank you very much. I appreciate all the participants in today's tournament. Remember, guys, game of speed and yeah. Remember, guys, today's game of speed because we're going to do the first round of 16 and then quarterfinals today. Okay. GG Samuel. Toluwani says GG Samuel. Rebecca seems to have his hand up. Mr. James Beckerson, please can you type your question in chat? Who's going to go next? Let's look at the. Okay, so one of the card titans actually come and talk to me that he's not going to be available again for the comp because of an emergency. He was supposed to go against Emmanuel Ene. That's Olu David. So that means Emmanuel Ene is again. This is not my doing. Emmanuel Ene is already automatically advanced to the next round. So who else is available uh, for the tournament? Karim Alfred. Is Karim Alfred with us?
yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yeah, Karim Alfred and Emmanuel I. Samuel and Favor, you guys can stop sharing your screen right about now. Thank you very much. And so that we can move on to the other participants, Karim and Emmanuel I. I keep saying Emmanuel I because I've forgotten the surname. Apologies, please. Is Emmanuel with us? Okay, so that we do not waste anybody's time. Let's move on to another matchup. Abdulafiz and Glory Olalere. Olalere Glory and
Yeah, I got
Abdulafiz.
it.
You guys are up
Yeah,
next.
I'm here.
Yeah. I can see. I hear. Nice. Yeah, I hear powerfully. And Abdulafiz, Engineer Abdulafiz.
Um, Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Can you hear me, sir?
So
Yeah, the
Yeah.
material you
what's
asked
our
us to
title?
use. Can you hear me? The material you asked us to use is not actually in Fusion 360. I'm trying to create it, but I can only input 0.002, not 0.0027. So there might be calculation error.
Okay, no problem. But in the meanwhile, we can still start sharing our screens now. Abdulafiz, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Can you?
Okay. Yeah, I can. All right. So I'm waiting for you guys to start
My
sharing.
screen is up, right?
Nah, not yet. If you say maybe it's the network. Well,
I've shared my screen already. Let me reshare again.
oh, your screen was being shared at that time. It was. I see what the problem was.
Okay.
Yep. So now you can see everybody's screen now. You can see. I can see. Now we have another SolidWorks and Fusion 360 matchup. It seems as if Fusion 360 Warriors are having uh, the material is not quite available. So I'll allow Fusion 360 users to create the custom material and add it into their software. I hope everybody can hear me
Can
because
you hear me?
I can hear you.
Hello, sir. Yeah, I've tried to create the custom material, but the material is actually 0.0027. But in Fusion 360, I can only input 0.002.
Sorry, I didn't quite get that. What did you say?
Right now, when creating the custom material, I need to input the density of the material we need to use. So the density of the material is 0.0027, but in Fusion 360, I can only input 0.002.
Oh, okay. So that's just going to
Did you get
give a
did you get
calculation
me?
error of like a few decimal places. All right, that shouldn't be an issue then. We can still use
Yeah.
it. So
Okay.
is everybody ready? Abdulafiz, are you ready?
Please, please a minute. I want to block calls from entering my phone, please,
Oh, anything
because
that's
I'm using my phone's hotspot. Yeah.
anything that will allow that will destroy our advantage. Please let's get out of the way. This is real Clash of Car Titans. Kind season one in Nigeria.
Yep.
Are you ready?
I think I'm ready now.
Right. So I'm going to send the question for this particular round to the group, and then once I send it, we'll start modeling immediately. One, two, ready, go. Send to the group already. Oh. Wow. First blood from Abdulhafiz. That's rare talent right there. When you see somebody that is just drawing all the features of his sketch in one line feature, straight up just went for the art. So that's even okay. Okay, I see you. I'm waiting to see who's going to drop the first feature for this particular matchup. I think we need to start next season for this. We might need to hold this in on Bet Niger. This is a fairly simple part here. It looks like it's a bracket. Mm-hmm. So now, from the first side, we already have two people that are going to be in the quarterfinals, Emmanuel and Samuel. Great game from Samuel in the last round. We're still waiting for who's going to drop the first feature in this particular matchup. Hope all the contestants are already in the room now. Ooh, first feature from Abdulhafiz Atonda. That's nice, that's nice. Okay. Again, no bias from me, but I believe you can see where the trend is going. Abdulafi is just slicing through this model. Ooh, but wait. Hmm. Seems as if Glory too
Wow.
is not slouching on his own modeling. Okay. Seems like he wants to create a shared sketch. Or I might be wrong. On the Made Africa chat forum, a lot of bots is already generating around this competition. This just gives us hope that we're going to have another season for this for Clash of the Card Titans, and it will definitely have a bigger prize pool. For now, let's see who's going to take the crown for this season one, Clash of the Card Titans.
Let's go. Oh well. Team SolidWorks is also doing well.
I just saw one side reaction emoji in the chat, like this was going on.
Did you notice this?
I believe to get the mass of this part, the position of this slot doesn't really matter. But let's see.
Oh, it definitely will matter due to the fillet by the edges.
Mm.
One interesting thing about SolidWorks is there are multiple approaches to getting the models right. I can't tell the same for the countries.
Definitely. I would love to see somebody surprise me today and get the entire part from one model. I say from one model, from one feature, if that's even possible.
Yeah.
Oh, first blood. Abdulafiz dropped the answer in the chat. It says the mass of the part is 480.07 grams. Is it correct? Let's see. Ooh, it actually is. Oh wow! Great game from the two competitors. Wow! This one was close because I can see that um sorry, just a moment here. Need to check something. Okay. See that even Glory wasn't slouching on it. Glory was following closely behind. But still, Abdulaziz came out on top. The correct answer 480.07 grams. That's nice. Ooh. Come on. Future 360 people. What's going on? We need to step it up. Abdulaziz, Glory, great game. Good game, everybody. Nice. All right. So that means Abdulaziz is advancing into the next round. In the next round, Abdulaziz is going to go against Emmanuel. Okay, so thank you very much. Please, you can stop sharing your screen after the next round of people who can. For the other compressors, I hope everybody has already gotten the mask ready on their side. Okay. Daniel in the room with us? Daniel, Health Ogala, and Ipeka St. James. These two titans are up next. Mm-hmm. But actually, this time it's still also a Fusion 360 and SolidWorks matchup. Yeah, as long as it's approximately the same and you drop it first, then we'll be fine. Yes. Ideally, all this will be okay. So let's move on. Let's move on. Let's move on. So Mr. James Beckerson, Mr. Daniel, if you will please share your screen so that we can see your card systems. And then after that, I'll now display the questions that we're going to be